Pandesal Saves the Day by Adrian Bantolina. A long time ago, in the Philippines, Pandesal saved his friends in a nature park.
Sa mahabang panahon sa Pilipinas, iniligtas ni Pandesal ang kanyang mga kaibigan sa nature park.
Pandesal was a girl who entertained her friends and shared her simple lunch with them.
Si Pandesal ay isang babae na nag-aaliw sa kanyang mga kaibigan at nagbahagi ng simpleng tanghalian sa kanyang mga kaibigan.
Pandesal felt that she was the unluckiest girl. She didn't like the way she looked. Her skin was too dark.
Naramdaman ni Pandesal na siya ang pinakamalas na babae. Hindi niya gusto ang itsura niya. Masyadong maitim ang balat niya.
Pandesal lived by a farm that was far away from school.
Nakatira si Pandesal sa isang bukid na malayo sa paaralan.
She had to walk across the field, pass a river, and walk up and downhill side. All of her classmates had a nice house.
Dahil kailangan niyang maglakad sa palayan sa kabila ng isang ilog at umakyat sa mga gilid ng burol, lahat ng kaklase niya ay may magagandang bahay.
Even though Pandesal lived in a poor house, Pandesal's family was very cheerful. They didn't have the TV, so they entertained themselves by singing in the evenings.
Kahit na nakatira si Pandesa sa mahirap na pamilya, ang kanyang pamilya ay masayahin. Wala silang telebisyon kaya inaalaw nila ang kanilang mga sarili sa pagkanta gabi-gabi.
One day, Pandesal, her classmates, and her teacher went on a field trip to a nature park. Pandesal knew most of the creatures in the park.
Ang mga kaklase at ang guro ni Pandesal ay nagpunta sa isang field trip sa nature park. Alam ni Pandesal halos lahat ng mga nilalang sa parke.
Oh my god, a weird bug is on my shoulder. Go away!
They were having fun in the nature park. After that, they got hungry and started to eat lunch.
Nagsasaya sila sa nature park, pagkatapos noon ay nagutom sila at nagsimula ng kumain ng tanghalian.
Everyone had fancy lunches like delicious sandwiches, hamburgers, french fries, and salad.
Lahat ay may magarbong tanghalian tulad ng masarap na sandwich, hamburger, french fries at salad.
Pandesal felt ashamed of her brown paper lunch bag. In it, she had rice, fish broiled in tomatoes, and chicken wrapped in banana leaves.
Nakaramdam ng hiya si Pandesa sa kanyang kayumanggi na paper bag. May kanin at inihaw na isda sa kamatis at manok na nakabalot sa dahon ng saging.
When lunch was over, the children piled into the bus. Mang Baking got into the driver's seat to take them back to school. But a few minutes later, the bus broke down.
Nang matapos na ang tanghalian ay nagsama-sama ang mga bata sa driver ng bus, pumunta na si Mang Baking sa driver's seat para bumalik sa paaralan. Ngunit makalipas ng ilang minuto, nasira ang bus.
Everyone needed to get off the bus and wait for Mang Baking to fix the bus. After a while, they started to feel bored.
Lahat sila ay kailangan lumabas sa bus at hintayin si Mang Baking na ayusin ang bus. Ilang sandali pa ay nakaramdam na sila ng inip.
It takes so long to fix the bus.
I'm so bored.
Pandesal brought out her sipa and asked everyone to play with her. Pandesal kicked the sipa 20 times once. Everyone tried it and had fun playing with the sipa.
Dinala ni Pandesal ang kanyang sipa at tinanong kung sino ang gustong maglaro kasama niya. Sinipa ni Pandesal ang sipa ng 20 beses. Lahat sila ay sinubukan at lahat sila ay nagsaya sa paglalaro ng sipa.
Everyone was hungry after playing the game. Pandesal opened her bag and shared her adobo and rice. Everyone had never tasted such a great dish, and they said it was yummy.
Lahat sila ay nagutom sa paglalaro. Binuksan ni Pandesal ang kanyang paper at ibinahagi ang kanyang adobo at kanin. Lahat sila ay hindi pa nakakatikim ng ganoong kasarap na pagkain at nasabing masarap iyon.
It's so yummy.
After they ate, they had a lot of time because Mang Baking was still fixing the school bus.
Pagkatapos nilang kumain, nagkaroon sila ng maraming oras dahil inaayos pa rin ni Ma'am Baking ang school bus. At tinanong ni Pandesal ang kanyang mga kaklase kung gusto nilang marinig na kumanta siya.
Do you want to hear my singing?
Yeah, that would be nice.
I would also love to hear you sing.
Pandesal sang so well for her classmates. that they were amazed.
Magandang kumanta si Pandesal para sa mga kaklase niya na namangha sa kanyang kanta.
Wow, that is an amazing song you sing.
You're such a good singer. Pandesal, you saved the day. You brought us a great game and delicious food, and you sang for us. You're one of my best students in the class.
She no longer felt like the odd one in school. Now she can share many wonderful things about her culture. Later, she joined the Glee Club.
Hindi na nararamdaman ni Pandesal na kakaiba siya sa kanilang paaralan. Ngayon, pwede na siyang magbahagi ng maraming magagandang bagay tungkol sa kanyang kultura. Maya-maya ay sumali siya sa Glee Club.